Over the next few weeks, we'll be launching an exclusive membership club that will completely revolutionize the travel and cruise industries. If you're looking to join one of the hottest business opportunity launches in recent years, if you love traveling, having fun, and if you're interested in making money and capitalizing on what experts are calling a total game changer, then pay close attention, as the next 2 minutes could be exactly what you're looking for. Let me ask you a question. If you had all the time and money and could visit any place in the world, where would you go? How about sailing around the medieval castles down the Rhine or Danube rivers? Or seeing the fjords in Norway? Visiting Victoria Harbor in Hong Kong? How about a cruise out of Vancouver to Alaska or Hawaii? Or cruising through the Mediterranean, visiting Barcelona, Rome, and the Vatican, Venice, and Greek Isles? Every one of us dreams of traveling with friends and family, visiting multiple countries and seeing the world. But the sad fact is that most people will rarely venture out of state because of two important factors: time and money. What if I told you there was a group of high-level executives, travel industry insiders, and a titan in the cruising industry converging to create the world's first cruising membership club, where members of this exclusive club will be able to travel on 5-star cruises with the world's top brands for the cost of 1- and 2-star cruises. Some will be able to cruise absolutely free, while others will be paid as they go on amazing holiday cruises all over the world. Introducing the first ever exclusive membership program designed to make luxury cruising possible for you to live your dreams, sail the 7 seas, explore global destinations, and even generate a part-time or full-time income while promoting this unbeatable service. This is a once-in-a-lifetime launch, and we're prepared to reward you handsomely to help us spread the word of this timely and valuable service. Our launch will be done in 2 phases. During the pre-launch phase, you'll have an opportunity to get in at the very beginning and benefit in multiple ways. You'll benefit financially from our anticipated growth, and you'll have an opportunity to earn free cruises during this phase. It's not often in life that one is privy to these kinds of exclusive offers, but today, that opportunity is knocking on your door. Don't worry, we're not asking for money. The best part of this pre-launch opportunity is that you risk absolutely nothing. This opportunity is by invitation only.